One can only imagine that if you want the right part delivered at the right time and in the right amount, you would need some method of management or control. Without one, you would end up with excess inventory or not enough inventory. The just-in-time system uses a method known as Kanban. Kanban is one tool within the just-in-time production system. Kanban is used to connect information flow to the necessary action or production of a customer's needs. The Kanban system works off the pull of the customer, creating a more demand-driven enterprise, which results in lower inventory levels, less waiting, and better control of production amounts. The Japanese word, loosely translated, means card, billboard, or sign, but oftentimes other sensory notifications such as empty spaces, cones, or lights are used to notify a supplier of a customer's need. In the purest sense, Kanban is a trigger. The card was an early method used to help people learn to act on a trigger for replenishment and manage the demand associated with the need. Essentially, the Kanban card and other triggers were used to help manage the replenishment and behaviors associated with replenishing inventory. The basic premise is that the pull begins at the customer or the end of the process with a leveled schedule that is based on only real demand or real expected demand. This demand represents what the customer is pulling for. The final process step uses a Kanban to pull materials or information from the previous process step, which pulls from the previous step, and so on, all the way through the value stream. A push system is the production or performance of any item or activity performed at a required time by a given schedule that has been planned in advance. Many push systems are built mainly to forecast. Push systems can also include issuing material or performing an activity based on a schedule rather than a need. Push systems create excess inventory, which is one of the 8 forms of waste. There are many different types of Kanbans that are used within organizations. 3 of the most common are move Kanbans, production Kanbans, and supply Kanbans. Let's learn a little more about the different types of Kanban. We'll see you shortly.